Welcome to our channel. In this video, I am sharing about the information praise. So in a sentence, two kinds. One is the praise and the clause. Next video, we are going to see that what is clause. Now, praise. A praise. It is a group of words. It doesn't have subject and predicate of its own. It gives some meaning of sentence but not complete meaning. For example, in the east, in the west. So three words are there, but it doesn't have any subject and predicate, no complete meaning. If we add in a sentence like the sun rises in the east, the sun set in the west, like. Next, kinds of praise. Praise divided into three kinds. That adjective praise, adverb praise, noun praise. The first one, adjective. Adjective praise. A group of words does the work of an adjective is called an adjective praise. See, we know the difference between adjective as a part of speech. Adjective praise is the different. Adjective means only one word. Adjective praise means two more words. Two more words. If we see that example, the vizier was a man of great wealth. The vizier was a man of great wealth. Here, of great wealth is the adjective praise. Remember, praise is more than one word. Second example, I like to see my face with a smile on it. I like to see a face with a smile on it. With a smile on it, it is the adjective praise. The chief lived in that house built of stone. Built of stone is the adjective praise. The king was a man with only the king was a man with a kindly nature. With a kindly nature is the adjective praise. The second one, adverb praise. An adverb praise is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. An adverb praise is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. About the adverb, if the praise will give the information or anything else, that we are calling adverb praise. For example, he went to online for more information. He went to online for more information. Why he went? For more information. So more information saying about the verb. So adverb praise. I will not do that, never in a million years. So here we will know that I will not do that, never in a million years. So here saying that never in a million years. He made his decision as quickly as possible. Here in this, as quickly as possible is in adverb praise. He responded very rudely. He responded. How he responded? Very rudely. It is the adverb praise. So, like adverb praise, we are going to know while seeing the sentence, if you know that the sentence work about the adverb. Next, the third one, noun praise. A noun phrase is a group of two or more words that is headed by a noun that includes modifiers also. Example, I went to visit the museum. Here, to visit the museum is about noun phrase, it describes. Second example, to give up smoking is not easy. Here, the four words to give up smoking is completely noun phrase. About the smoking is explaining. So, to give up smoking is not easy. And the last one, I know the back streets. I know what we know. the back streets. The back streets are three words. It's going to say about noun whom you know. So like this, the noun phrase or completely
Phrases
so
are
these are
like
the
this.
three phrases: adjective phrase, adverb phrase, noun phrase. So if in a sentence, if we saw a sentence, we are able to identify it is a noun phrase or adjective phrase or adverb phrase. Okay. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.